Your WordPress site is holding you back. Slow load times, plugin conflicts, and limited control. What if you could rebuild it on something powerful, something you actually own? Meet Waravel, the practical, step-by-step guide to migrating your WordPress site to Laravel. No fluff. No guesswork. Just a clear, proven path. WordPress to Laravel, done right. WordPress is great until it isn't. Bloated plugins. Constant updates. Security vulnerabilities. Developers craving real MVC structure, clean code, and full control. Sound familiar? You've outgrown WordPress. Waravel walks you through every single step. Export your WordPress content. Rebuild your database in Laravel's Eloquent. Migrate posts, pages, media, users, and metadata, nothing gets left behind. Worried about losing your SEO rankings? Don't be. Waravel shows you exactly how to preserve your URL structure and set up 301 redirects, so Google never loses track of your site. Then comes the best part, launching. Waravel covers environment setup, final testing, DNS switching, and a smooth go-live checklist so your launch is clean, fast, and confident. Stop patching WordPress. Start building with Laravel. Get the Waravel migration guide today and take full control of your web project the right way. Get Waravel now at waravel.com.